Let's chat law. Professor Emeritus, what is partnership business? All right, let's chat it. What way can the lawyer or a solicitor help? The main statute governing partnership business is the Partnership Act 1890. So please, and it is not all that long, so can you please have a look at it? In the area of the nature, in terms of risk and benefits, partnership, as in contrast to company, formation, use of partnership agreement, relation of partners to each other and outsiders. Outsiders are third parties. Financing and taxation. Taxation, I'll look at it on another video clip. Legal and practical matters. Let's look at the definition and meaning of partnership. This is a type of unincorporated business and is created where two or more persons carry on a business together with the intention of making a profit. A partnership does not have a separate legal personality, and therefore there is no legal distinction between the partnership and the partners. In other words, partners are liable for any debt of the partnership. Illustration. Imagine that Kofi, Ravi, Josh, and Patel go into business together. Unless three of them are happy to be employees, they will not be able to be sole traders since there is more than one of them. Look at my sole traders clip. A sole trader is just one person entering into business. The four of them will be going into business as partnership and would be governed by the Partnership Act 1890. Liability. The partners are personally liable for all outstanding liabilities. The partners need to be aware that the other partner's actions could result in all the partners being liable. Right? Setting up a partnership. A partnership is into being or comes into being when section 1 of subsection 1 of the PA 1890 is fulfilled. So please have a look at it about how a partnership is set up. So long as section 1 or subsection 1 of the Partnership Act 1890 is fulfilled, partnership has come into play. Therefore, a lawyer should advise the partners with respect to PA 1890 when they decide to form partnership. Firm. The term firm refers to the persons who have entered into partnership, and they are referred to collectively as the firm. Section 4, Partnership Act 1890. Partnership agreement. There is no requirement to draft a partnership agreement. It can be done orally, but it is helpful to do a written agreement in the interest of certainty, especially when it comes to resolving a conflict, resolution of conflicts. The written agreement, partnership agreement, is preferable to orally when it comes to resolution of conflicts. The PA 1890 will apply and provide set of rules to determine how the partnership will run. How can a lawyer or a solicitor help in a partnership agreement? All right, you have to review the heads of terms of the agreement, take full instructions and give an advice, identify unconsidered problem areas, negotiate and finalize the agreement. And you have to look at the PC issues such as conflict of interest. Drafting partnership agreements. These are some of the elements you have to consider who are to be partners. In our scenario, it is Kofi, Ravi, Josh and Patel. So these are the partners. Nature of the business. Is it you're going to be service provider, or it's going to be product, goods, or services? You have to consider all. Look at capital contribution. How much is individuals going to contribute? Each share, each contribution, capital contribution. As 4 of them, is it 40? Everyone contributing £5,000, or one of them 7,000, another 10,000. Now it's important because they will determine how profits and liabilities, or assets and liabilities, are shared. Basis of return, name of the business, start date and duration, all these things should be considered. Drafting tips for partnership agreements. Please have a look at the do's and the don'ts. In terms of the do's, one of the things is the use of precedent. Use of precedent. The word precedence here is not the same precedent found in the English legal system. No, no, no. The precedence here is about template, about already existing documents that you are going to look at, help you draft your new partnership agreement. Right, so please have a look at it. Formalities. Don't have to register at company house. The Company Act 2006 contains restrictions on what the partnership could be called, the name of the partner, and it's in the document. It's the Partnership Act. Please have a look at it. And in the partnership, no entitlement to salary. There's no entitlement, but an individual can be paid a salary based upon the person's expertise, contribution, division of profits and losses. Right, look, partnership agreement, look, management, look at section 24 and etc. Resolution of partnership. When? Please look at PA 1890s sections 39 and 44. Any partner can force a sale of all the property of the partnership on dissolution. So have a look at the sections that will help. Since dissolution, Kofi, Ravi, George, and Patel decided to dissolve the partnership. They each subscribed £5,000 capital to the partnership. The partnership has the following assets: £5,000 which is owed to various creditors, and £12,000 stock in their storehouse. How would section 44 PA 1890 apply here? Now, the first thing that ought to be done is that the creditors have to be paid. Then whatever is left can be shared among partners. Alright, thanks for watching. Please, can you share and subscribe to my channel? Give your comments, like and share.